Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, let me show you the first option. It is using the dialer, so let's open the dialer, go to the keypad and let's type *#06#. And as you can see, the IMEI info and serial number just pops out. Let's click on OK and let me show you another option. It is using the settings, so let's open the list of apps, click on the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Tablet. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number. What's more, we can tap on the status, click on IMEI info, and here we've got the IMEI number. Let's get back, and there is also a serial number in the settings. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.